Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Rion, and this is the second video in the HTML series. So, last time we discussed the basics of HTML, like inputs and like headings and paragraphs and all that other stuff and titles and stuff and like bodies and heads. Today in this video we're gonna be talking about like line breaking and tables. So to get started, we need to actually get a file. I'm gonna be using the same file that I used last time. So I'm just gonna go open file, HTML. There it is. Open, and here it is. So this is what we did last time. We discussed the heads, like the opening and closing tags, the titles, the paragraphs, the headings, the inputs, and like everything, like those stuff. So now we're gonna be talking about line breaking. So what I mean by line breaking is let's just run this code real quick. So if I just run it, you'll see there's like this gap between this big high and this small high. Let's say I want this gap to be even more wider or longer, I guess. So to actually do that, we need to actually there's actually a command for that. That's what I meant by line breaking. So the command for line breaking is like the command for line breaking is this. So open tag, br, and close tag. So if you just run it like this, it won't work, and that's because I actually lied when I said this is the opening, this is the tag. There's one more thing about this tag we have to put, and no, it's not the closing tag. Line breaker, like the line breaking tag, does not have a closing tag. That's the tricky part about line breakers. The closing tag is itself and the opening tag itself. It may sound confusing at first, but it's not confusing if I just show you. So this would be a normal opening tag with any other command, right? But with line breaking, you actually put the slash in the first opening tag. So it's not an opening tag or a closing tag. It's like in the middle. It does both. So you don't need it's only one. You only need one tag to actually line break, and not the second tag. So now if I just run this, I first have to close it, and I'm gonna run it again, and you can see there's like a way more space between the first high and the second high. That's because we put a line breaking code in between them. So I'm just gonna go and copy paste these in between everything really quickly, and then I'm gonna show you what it does. So almost done, and yeah, there we go. Now there's a line breaker inside everything. It's like inside, I mean not everything, I mean in between every command. So if I just really quickly close it, and a fun fact about Visual Studio Code is that's the program I'm using now to actually code HTML, is that when you're running something, you could actually control what it does with this like top bar here. You could pause it. You could stop it, and you could restart it. I'm just gonna stop it and just run it again after I save it. It's always good to save your file to make sure you don't lose any progress. So if I just start debugging, now you can see there's a lot of space in between all of the highs. So that's line breaking technically. So now we're going to be talking about tables. So tables, it's basically what it says. So if you know like if you studied data management or something, you could see like tables and graphs and stuff. So that it's like that. So it's like you don't see like the squares and boxes, but it's like the orientation. You could use it to actually like display data like in HTML. So to actually code tables, you need to actually open the table tag. It's like any other tag. You just open bracket table and close bracket. It's because I'm using Visual Studio Code, it's gonna automatically put the closing tag for me, which is really useful if you're actually writing a long code. So now that I put the table tag there, you need a few more tags inside of the table tag to actually make the table work. The first one is tr, or table rows. So it's called tr because it's a certain version of table rows. To actually code that, it's like any other tag. Yeah, open bracket tr and then close bracket. So this is like the tr tag and closing tag. It's just tr. You don't have to put table rows or anything. It's just tr. So in between these, you have to put something more, one more thing, which is actually the heading. So the command for that is th, table heading. So bracket th and closing tag. So th. So now we have a table header and a table header closing tag. So if I just put like inside this name or something, let's say if I put name, and then after I put name, I just have to copy this real quickly and then paste like two more there. I don't know why that's really weird. Let me really fix that. So yeah, so now you might be like wondering why I copy pasted three names here. You'll see. So if I put this one as age, what? So if I just put this one as age and then this one as city, and you can see here like that. So this is how you actually like make like table inputs. So this is the table tag. You also, I mean table header. You also write table header like this as well. So actually like write table data. It's th actually. Like you can guess that, I guess. So you also need another table row. So this is what separates like the table. The table headers and the table data from apart. So opening tr tag and closing tr tag, enter, and then so the table data tag is td. So opening td tag and then closing td tag. So now if I just put my name right here, Rion, and then if I just enter and then put my age there as well. So td closing tag 12, and then if I just put I have numlock on. 12, and then after that if I just put td again, td, and then if I just put I can't actually put my city, so I'm just gonna put like a random city, like let's say I don't know, so I'm just gonna leave it as nothing, like literally nothing. So you don't have to put the tags vertically. You could just do this like this as well. If you're writing, if there's something inside the tags, it's same for like these as well. You could like put this and it'll still work. But doing it like this is actually it looks a little bit better than doing it like this. Arguably, it does. So now if I just run this really quickly, you can see right here, it has my name. It has my name in, it has name in bold letters, and underneath it has my actual name, then age in bold letters as well, and my age and city and nothing. So this is what I mean by name, age and city. Wait, I'm just gonna put some more breaking tags right here because I don't actually, it looks kind of bad without breaking tags. So sift, no, not body, br, and then closing tag. But come on, bro. And then a tab, and if I'll just copy this and paste it, and then it's gonna be, yeah, there we go. This should be enough. I see now there's actually space, and it looks way better now. So there's my name, age and city. So you could add way more data than just one. So all you gotta do is you have to make new tr every time you do it. So like you could just copy this, copy it from the tr opening tag to the tr closing tag. If I just really copy that and then paste that, copy paste. Now there's like 4 data tags. So now if I run this as well, and it's gonna put 4 of the data, 4 datas. You could it can be different as well. Like obviously you could put it as one, like 1, 2, 2, and 3. I want to keep the original one like it was, just so you can see, like, just so you can see my name, I guess. So and then 3, right? 3. Okay, so come on, imagine you press the wrong button. It's gonna be really funny. So now it says 1, 2, and 3 under my name. So you can change it like that and add as many data as you want. You can also add as many headers as you want as well. So if I just want to put a new header, you don't have to copy the tr tag. You have to go in here, th again, I guess, th, and then close it, and I could just put hi or whatever, I guess. I really can't think of anything else to put. And then if I just run it, there's gonna be a new header, like heading called hi. Obviously it's header, so you have to put something underneath it. So to actually put something underneath it, so you just do th again, and it's gonna put something underneath that. So that's tables. So for now, that's all I have. So see you guys in the next video.